Welcome back, I'm the Watch Nerd. On today's video, we're going to be unboxing these Cartier glasses. Now, I know I primarily do, watch videos and everything, but I love everything luxury. I think if you spend on one high quality piece over 10 affordable options, it is better in the long run just because it's higher quality. But we're going to get into all that with these glasses today. But before I flip you around, before we get into the packaging, I also want to keep mentioning the Chanel giveaway. So once you reach 1,000 subscribers and Diamonds and Beyond USA reaches 1,000 followers, I'm going to send this chain out to one of you. It doesn't matter who you are. This is going to be a free Chanel enamel sterling silver chain. It's a great chain and I'm excited to give it away. So now let's flip ourselves around and we'll head straight into it.
Now, flipping ourselves around, I do have to mention these are prescription lenses. I actually do need glasses. As you see in my other videos, I wear glasses. But I wanted to, go a little more luxury and see what value you get out of spending a couple more hundred. And sometimes it can even be more like thousands. So these ones are, I should say, plastic frames. As you saw in the intro, they were, the more newer look with the bulkier frames. So taking everything out, you get an instruction manual, you get a microfiber here. It's actually really, really nice. It's very, very cool. Now, you get the special felt, on the box from Cartier boxes. It's very, very classy. The instruction manual is in this like envelope here. And I don't know how you need this many pages. I guess it's, all in, different languages to learn about the instructions, but their glasses, I'm pretty sure they're very self-explanatory, And then opening the actual box is very nice. It's like a leather, like kind of felt inside, very soft with the glasses. And it shows you the details with Cartier. They actually have a, like a bridge so your glasses don't, shake too much in there. Now these are my pair. I'll show you again. I'll flip it around to get a close-up of these glasses. This one's actually made in Italy because this is not their extremely some of them are made in France. Some of them I've seen actually made in Japan, so it just depends on which one you get. Now I know these are more towards the affordable end just because they're plastic frames, but they're still very nice compared to my old glasses. And I'll show you a few things that Cartier put details in. First of all, if you rub your finger under the C, you could feel the actual C. And I know it's small, but you can actually, it actually goes out. And that's a good way to tell the original from a fake. Now I know this is an original because I actually bought it at the store. I didn't buy this pre-owned. And they made it actually very, very nice for me. Cartier, and they're very nice. Glasses are a nice pair. So I'll show you a few things that they add just because they're a little more high end. So on other frames, you don't see, all these screws, and there's a lot more screws to hold it sturdy. You don't see, the framework, the heaviness of the glasses makes it feel, quality. That's all subjective too. You could buy, a nice pair of frames for, a lot less with screws and everything. But buying into a name, it does have some value, but if you're buying them retail, you're most likely not gonna come back from that unless it's, like the bust out glasses or the platinum and stuff like that, even though, they're crazy premium too. So, it all depends on what you need and what you want. If you just need a regular pair of glasses and you're not looking, for a special pair, then you don't, need a luxury piece. But I think once you buy something like this, a Cartier pair of glasses, you have more appreciation for them. So now, after looking through all this, I'm going to do a flip around and a look at my face with these on.
Here's a little closer up look at the actual glasses on my face. I want to thank you all for watching. Tell me, most of you know me for my watches, but tell me if you like this style of format, if this is, a cooler video and you want to see more jewelry stuff in the future. Because right over here, I have a very rare poker set. All around me, there's great things to review. So just, comment down below if you like it. And also, if you want the Chanel giveaway, just follow the 4 steps and you have a chance to win it. It's a 1 in 1,000 chance. Why not? It's free to join. All you got to do is subscribe and follow Diamonds and Beyond. I want to thank you, and I will catch you in the next one.